Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Arduino hardware. I am Mohammad Furqan. First of all, discuss here about Arduino basic introduction, pin diagram, and how to connect your Arduino on your computer. The Arduino revolution. Arduino is an open source physical computing platform designed to make experimenting with electronic more fun and interactive. Arduino has its own unique simplifying programming language, a vast support network, and thousands of potential uses, making it the perfect platform for both beginners and advanced. For more detail, go its home website arduino.cc. Its own different use and application in daily life. Bug zapper counter, old toy email notify, power lesson high tops, camera time lapse operation, auto plant watering, reprogrammed traffic light, auto coffee maker, and quadcopter. A computer for physical world. The friendly blue bird in your hand or on your desk is the Arduino. In some way, you could think of Arduino as the child of traditional desktop and laptop computers. At its root, the Arduino is a small portable computer. It is capable of taking inputs such as the push of a button or a reading from a light sensor, that information to control various outputs like a blinking LED lights or an electric motor. That's where the term physical computing is born, and Arduino is capable of taking the world of electronic and relating it to the physical world in a real and tangible way. This will all make more sense soon. Arduino R3. Arduino Uno R3 is one of several development board based on the Atmega 328 32 kb storage. We like them mainly because of it's very useful for beginner. It has 14 digital input and output pin, 6 of which can power the modulation, like we also know PWM output, 6 analog input, and 16 megahertz crystal oscillator. 16 megahertz is its Arduino Uno speed. A USB connection, power jack, and ICSP header, and a reset button. Don't worry, you will learn about all these later. In order to get your Arduino up and running, you will need to download some software first from www.arduino.cc. It's free of cost. This software, known as Arduino IDE, Arduino Integrated Development Environment, will allow you to program the Arduino to do exactly what you want. It's like a word processor for writing program. With an internet capable computer, open up your favorite browser and type into the address bar arduino.cc/en/main/software. Then connect to Arduino Uno on your computer. Use the USB cable, connect the Arduino to one of your computer's USB inputs. Then install the driver. It's depending on your computer operating system. If you use Windows 7 or older, then you need a software install driver. Otherwise, no need for driver. You will need to follow specified instruction. Please consult the URLs below for specified instruction on how to install the driver onto your Arduino Uno. Site is http arduino.cc/en/main/software. en/guide/windows. Open the Arduino IDE. Open the Arduino IDE software on your computer. Poke around and get to know the interface. We are not going to code right away. This is just an introduction step. Is to set your IDE to identify your Arduino Uno. Arduino IDE basically GUI mean graphical user interface. It's a different box or different button is given. Like first one is verify. It's use compile and approve your code. It will catch error in syntax like missing semicolon or brackets. Second one is upload key. It's use send your code into the Arduino board. When you click it, you should see the light on your board blink. Third button is new. This button open up a new code window tab, and fourth button is open. This button will let you open up an existing sketch. Fifth button is save. This saves the currently active sketch. 6 is serial monitor. This will open a window that displays any serial information your Arduino is transmitting. It is very useful for debugging. 7 code area. This is the area where you compose the code for your sketch. And 8 message area. This is where the IDE tell you if there were any error in your code. 9 sketch name. This shows the name of a sketch you are currently working on. When connect your board on computer, then first you select your serial. Select serial of Arduino board. Arduino board from the tool serial port menu. This is likely to be COM3 or higher. COM1 and COM2 are usually reserved for hardware serial port. To find out, you can disconnect your Arduino board and reopen the menu. The entry that disappear should be Arduino board. Reconnect the board and select the serial port. Select Arduino. We will go on Arduino Uno. Arduino first one is power in. Barrel jack can be used with either a 9-volt battery or 12-volt wall wart or battery. Second, power in. USB port provide power and communication with your board when plugged into your computer via USB. LED RX. Third one is LED RX. This shows when the Arduino is receiving data, such as when being programmed. Fourth is LED TX. This shows when your Arduino is transmitting data, such as when running a program. Fifth LED is connected to pin number 13. This LED is incorporated into your sketch to show if your program is running properly. 6 pin A reference, ground, digital, RX and TX. These various pins can be used for inputs and outputs, power and ground. 7 is LED indicator. This is a simple power indicator LED. Reset button. It is reset button. This is a way to manually reset your Arduino, which makes your code restart. It's used for reset your Arduino and run program immediately to start over. 9 is ICSP pins. ICSP pins use uploading a code without bootloader. This is for in-circuit serial programming used if you want to bypass the bootloader. 10 10 number pins: analog in, power in, ground, power out, and reset. These various pins can be used for inputs and outputs, power and grounds. Thanks so much for listening. Look for see you at the next tutorial where we start about how to write program. See you then.